baboons everywhere. Choka kids don't even fear them. Oh. Oh. Do you see them? There he is, like everywhere. Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. I am in Ntoroko. Guys, I'm called Glass. You see who is coming? Jesus! So guys, I was escorted by this big animal. It's very big. Very scary because I was having bananas. Because I was having bananas. Look at the way they are looking at me. So guys, I'm in this town called Kanara. Kanara is in Ntoroko. Guys, there is that big one. Oh my god. It's so scary. It ran after me. I forgot that I was carrying a banana. That's why they were running to me. Oh my god. Okay. India. What does it want to do? It wants to drive. So guys, what I've realized in this town, they are big beer drinkers. You see them everywhere. So why they ran after me? Guys, so as I was still recording, these baboons ran after me. I was carrying a banana. I forgot that I was carrying a banana. You don't know how I almost collapsed running. And then I remembered I threw the banana. They stopped. Hi guys, I'm Glazio Adventures. Welcome to today's vlog. I am in Ntoroko. Ntoroko is one of the biggest fishing land. Guys, that's whoop chickens. Chicho. That is scaring. Atisa want. So this is a city dominated by baboons everywhere. Choka kids don't even fear them. I'm just trying to figure out where to go. Maybe I can meet some people. We have a small chat. I'm just figuring out. So guys, this town is called Ntoroko, but the landing site is commonly known as Kanara. So I'm into the ghettos. Actually, these are not ghettos. It's like that's the way they are everywhere. The whole town is like this. And this town is evaded. I don't know if evaded is the right word, by baboons. So we will be there and you'll be grabbed by baboons if you mess up. So if you want a baboon experience, close and like in a homestay, then this is the town to go. chill. Yeah, actually this side is cool. So these are people's homes. Guys, let me get close to them and you see. Imagine being in a town and you're surrounded with wild. You see what they're doing, guys? What are they doing? Mani simple kid.
Let me go to the 24-hour borehole.
24-hour borehole. I think we are passing that side if we had to see it. So we continue like this. Yeah, these are people's homes. We are in two people's homes, just trying to figure out how people live in this town. We have not yet met any people doing fish. Hopefully we shall meet. Yeah. So guys, if you really love Glacio Adventures so much, I almost fell. Kindly do not skip the ads, okay? And share the video so that people get to know Uganda. So guys, Ntoroko was part of Bundibujo and Kabarole. Now it's a district on its own, but this town is now the real Ntoroko that we know, not the main road, not the Tamaka road that we all know. So this is the real Ntoroko. When we hear people say Ntoroko, this is it. This is a fishing land site in Uganda, and it's one of the biggest. Yeah. So let's move around and see. So of course, since it's a landing site, you know that the main economic activity is fishing. Real rain, our concrete boat, yes. I love you guys. Mama aliwali alingiza gamba gwenja kukuwa. One is, it's very big. Oh, whoa, this one has a baby. So guys, this landing site, the water levels keep increasing, making people to relocate. For example, those are some of the houses that have been sunk in water. So when it floods, this is what happens. Yes. Well, they don't feed it well. So guys, all those things are packed and they are going to take them to Congo. All those boats, I think this one here is ready. Hope you can see it. That one is ready. This one is getting ready. And then they are packing that.